keep it chill though.
I hope you do. Your windshield driver's side.
Thank you.
You need to keep your speed down.
Yes,
Roads
sir.
are treacherous today.
Yes.
There's ice all over the road. Black ice.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good. Thank you.
Don't make me regret this.
No, you're good. You're good. Trust me. How high can we go?
To Juniper. The summit's closed.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
So what are we doing right now?
I'm actually hosting a small little cruise right now. $2.89. I think it went down. Yo, this is gonna be a dope video. Be out. To Mount Diablo and back.
Good. How many people showing up?
I don't know. I really don't know how many people are gonna show up. I made the post yesterday, like around 4 p.m. So I don't know. I don't even know if there's gonna be people showing up, honestly. But right now we'll find out. I'd say maybe around 3 to 4 people. What about you, Yvonne?
Around the same. I'd say around the same.
So 3 to 4 people, that's what we're saying. What about you, Moy?
One.
One? Oh, damn. Oh, sick, bro.
Station clutch, station 2, cop tune, sway bars, carbon fiber hood, fenders, NVIDIA 1 pipe, catless down pipe, no resonators, hand cooked tires, PF1 wheels, Brembo brakes all the way around. That's pretty much it, but I plan on doing a lot more to it.
Sick, dude. Whose Honda is this? Thing's sick, bro. You want to come talk to him about your setup?
Everything under there is stock.
Okay.
It's all looks. Right
All
now.
looks
Yeah.
beautiful though. What is it sitting on?
BC Racing coilovers.
Nice, nice. Okay. Got the carbon fiber hood in it.
T1SC, and then it's got 92-pound injectors, full exhaust. Had to take it out, but I still have cat deletes and an off-road X pipe. Other than that, it's just pretty fast and fun.
All stock, bro. Just
Nah. You're not stock.
And it's dropped on coilovers.
Okay.
That's all, bro.
So do you have the cams?
Not yet. They're not just on it.
Okay.
I have everything sitting on top.
Oh, you know it's not just stock. You know that.
Has a little tune, but that's it.
So tell them what you got.
Yo, what's up? This is a little Subaru Baja 03, the first year they made it.
Okay.
They only made it for 3 years, so they kind of rare, kind of not, whatever. It's the NA non-turbo. They do make a turbo version, but that was like, I think the later years they did.
Yeah.
The first year. Like, truck bed with the extendo.
Yeah.
That little thing right there that opens up, you get the whole like 2x4.
Yeah.
It's whatever. Leather inside, everything. It's a full stock Subaru, but I mean, it gets the job done.
It gets the job done. All-wheel drive.
I'm ready for the mountain today, for sure.
so that's when I got it. And the ARC part, I got it from a guy in New Jersey.
Everywhere.
Yeah, all over the place, dude. Yeah.
Come first.
I didn't expect this many people to be here, especially like for a weekday.
Oh yeah.
This is kind of fucking packed. How many cars are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 cars earlier. Oh, I feel bad for that guy.